Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all file extensions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to reset all file extensions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now click on Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Default Apps. Here, click on Reset to the Microsoft Remember Default. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to reset all file extensions to Microsoft default in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.